Shasmeen shape, and today I am going to teach you how to insert an image into a shape. So let us start. Open PowerPoint, go to File and choose a blank presentation. From the Slides group, choose the Layout and select Blank. Now from the Drawing group, choose the Auto Shapes gallery. From it, choose any shape you want. So I am choosing the heart shape. Now insert the shape. After that, go to Drawing Tools Shape Format, and from the Shape Styles, go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Now right click onto the shape, go to Format Shape. From Fill, go to Picture or Texture Fill, go to Insert, Online Pictures and select any picture you want from any category. So here I am going to choose the category of beach. Click on any picture and then click on Insert. And as you can see, the image is inserted into a shape. So how did you like my video? Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Bye.